Stalkers and non-stalkers, get these right now while supplies last. What's up, everybody? Stereo Man back at it again. It's the next day, and we're back at the same customer's house with the 14 Camry that we just installed the Excalibur AL80 series two-way remote start on yesterday. So he was so pleased with our work that guess what? He wanted the new LINKR-LTX system. So we're going to go ahead and install that. That way the customer can activate his remote start, check the door lock status, pop the trunk, get the location of the vehicle, battery voltage, temperature, from anywhere in the world, anywhere you have cell phone service. And with this new LINKR-LTX system, the subscription cost is $99 a year. Yes, it costs more than the old LINKR-LT3s, but it has so many more features. It has geofencing features. It has excessive speed alert features. It has so many features that the old ones don't have. So it's actually well worth it. Only $99 a year, because if you have like Hyundai Blue Link, if you have Mercedes Embrace, if you have Ford Telematics, if you have GM OnStar, you're paying about $40-50 a month for that stuff, and it doesn't even do as much. With this one, you're paying $99 a year. Once a year, boom, done. Get all these features. It's nothing to even think about, especially with the speed alert and the geofencing. People who have teenage drivers at home, this is a must-have right here, y'all. A must-have. You got teenage drivers at home, or if you want to spy on your spouse, whatever you're going to end up doing, hey, that's none of my business. I don't care. But if you want this, you can have it. All you got to do is make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Stalkers and non-stalkers, get these right now while supplies last. All right, y'all, we're testing it out. We have the customer's phone right here. Before we button everything back up, we're going to make sure everything works like it's supposed to.